everyone, welcome to another Excel chat walkthrough video. I'm your host Kevin Kelly, and today we're going to be talking about how to use index and match within Excel. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So as you can see, I have a list of items between shirts and shorts, and then I have the size of each item, the color, and the price. And what we basically want to do is use index and match to find a shirt that is small and red and check what the price is. So I have the formula here in the Excel chat article, and you can just follow along or watch the screen here. So I'm going to hit equals index, and what this is going to allow me to do is identify the output that I want. So it's going to look at this table array to find my output. I'm going to make sure that I anchor that, and next I'm going to hit comma match. Now this is our first criteria. So our first criteria is going to be obviously shirt, G2 equals, we're going to look it up in this table array. Again, make sure you anchor. And then close parentheses, and you're basically multiplying each criteria by each other. And so we're looking for G3 now equals the size, anchor, last criteria equals color table array, anchor, close parentheses, comma 0, parentheses. The 0 is so that we get an exact match. Now, here's an important part of this formula. Because it is an array, make sure that you hit Control-Shift-Enter. Otherwise, the formula will not work. So I'm going to hit Control-Shift-Enter. And now I have 5. The price of that shirt is small and red, is $5. But if I go here and I just click Enter, I'm going to get that. And that is like the last thing that you want to see in an Excel cell. So make sure that when you're using an array formula that you hit Control-Shift-Enter, and that will give you the correct number.
Still have questions? Click to get help from a live Excel expert at Excel Chat.